Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker. In this video, we will dive into their features, performance, and pricing to help you decide which one is the best fit for your home or office. The Silonn Ice Maker is known for its speed and portability, producing bullet-shaped ice in just 6 minutes, while the Nugget Ice Maker offers chewable sonic ice with a higher daily output. Let's explore how these machines stack up against each other in various categories. The Silonn Ice Maker produces classic bullet-shaped ice, which is great for quick cooling but lacks the chewable texture that many prefer. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker creates soft, chewable sonic ice, which is ideal for cocktails and beverages, providing a unique drinking experience. This difference in ice type is crucial for consumers who prioritize texture in their drinks. When it comes to price, the Silonn Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $109, making it accessible for casual users. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker comes with a higher price tag of $209, reflecting its premium features and chewable ice production. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and ice needs. In terms of daily production, the Silonn Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for small gatherings or everyday use. However, the Nugget Ice Maker excels with a capacity of 35.5 pounds per day, making it a better choice for larger parties or frequent entertaining. This higher output can be a significant factor for those who require a lot of ice. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Nugget Ice Makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Silonn is perfect for those who need quick, portable ice at an affordable price, while the Nugget Ice Maker is ideal for those who prioritize chewable ice and higher production capacity. Depending on your needs, either machine could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.